Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you are all well and welcome to another video. In previous video, I have created a workspace application and detail scripts, and in this video, uh, I'm going to show you authentication, authorization, and user creation. So let's start. First of all, going to our main task, I want to add our application icon. So click customize and edit app icon. Upload a new icon. I have a dummy logo. So open it and just set it on mirror. Okay, save it. You see our application icon has been set. Okay, if I now I'm going to log in with my workspace username and password. Okay, fine. I'm going to click on administration, click on add user. Here you see only username and role. I want to add other information, so click on page. I'm going to create a region, name it uh, okay. I'm going to check my app user table and table app user. EMP name, add page item, and name it EMP name. Just duplicate or full name, and it will require and value require. Okay, and then designation start new row of, and then okay, I want to change level, department, and actually it will be hidden mode, value protected, and duplicate. I need another field status. This will be status. Okay, fine, department, and I'm going to office step new row and mobile number. Okay, our EMP name will be only one row, and designation and department will be in two column. Okay, email contact contact number and password. I'm going to set it as password. Password password confirmation. Okay, after that, status is employees active or inactive. So I'm going to select radio group and status. It will be 2 column and select static values of these two and active. Active for A, inactive for I, and of this, and I want to set default value for this. Default value must be active. Okay, I want to set icon for the button, text with icon, and then select icon. Times. Okay, our button icon set. Now I'm going to create process, and first of all, I'm to create a after submit process for password validation. Okay, I'm going to copy code from our another application. Okay, first of all, our password, if our password is null or our password retype is null, then it will return a error message like password must have some value. Okay, and else if password not equal retype password, uh, also in that moment it must be return a error message like password is not match. I'm going to select uh, button name. It will do its action when we click on create button. Okay, and it is a default process for storing username and role, but I want to store our employee information or user information in our app user table. create a process for inserting user information. Okay, I'm going to copy this from here. uh, App user, we are going to store information in our app user. So emp name, designation, department, username, okay, email, password, and mobile number. And I'm going to duplicate it, inserting, updating. It will process after main process, and then this process will run when user press on update button. Save and create button, duplicate, deleting. This process for deleting a particular username, and okay, now I'm going to check again, create button and save button, and it must be select delete button. It only process when user click on delete button. Okay, we have another just one step is available. Just I'm going to create a dynamic action. Okay, set value. We can we can use JavaScript expression or SQL PL SQL expression. Both you can use. I'm going to uh, use PL SQL expression. Username, submit, username. This is our but username, and it will set on username, only username, not underscore, only username. Okay, nice. Our process totally complete. Now save, and I want to run it. Add user. See, our field is all set. I want to add a new username, no role, and role is administrator, full name, designation, contact number, something like this, and password. Into okay, add. You see, password must have some value. It's checking validation, and if I give some mismatch value, you see password is not match. Okay, so 5. Okay, our username has been stored. Okay, now I want to check this from here. You see no role administrator, but I want to show more detailed information here. In that case, I must go into edit mode and manage user access. Here you see it use Apex application ACL users. Now I want to just check what type of data it has been stored, and to open it another tab, and now I'm going to check it. You see we have no role number and sorry, role name administrator, application ID. Okay, fine. Okay, just I want to join our app user table with this view table. Okay, this view table I have already written the query, so I'm going to just paste it here, and you see I have joined our app user table with Apex application ACL user by username. Okay, username LC. This is our user. It is available in our Apex application ACL users and our user, and in our app user table we have username, and check it whether it has been stored or not. Now I'm going to check our user table. Okay, see we have information in our user table. See password, it has been encrypted. Okay, and our create time and create user and other information has been successfully stored. Now I'm going to create authentication with our login validation check function. Okay, just copy, and I'm going to share component and click authentication schemes. You see Oracle default authentication is available. Click on it and just change scheme type. Scheme type will be custom, and I'm going to add our function here, nothing else. And if we do not store function in our database schema or schema, then we can add function in this PL school code. Okay. Okay, our after successful login, it will go to home page. Yes, apply agents. Now I can access. Okay, you see it has been successfully logged in. Now I'm going to check our user and click on actions. I want to add other information here, application and department, all things. Okay, all things. Just username will be first and role maybe second, and apply change. Okay, I'm going to save report as default. Click paste on page and then status. Escape special character will be off. Now uh, okay, okay, our administrator. Okay, our administration, click on user. Now you see our user information. We can update our user information. If I click on edit button, you'll see I want to password hidden. It only shows, it only show when our now item will be null. Which item? ID is null. Okay, now check again and to add apply chance, say edit. And if we want to see in our app user table, we see it has been updated successfully. Okay, so our here add the multiple user, we do not want to see it. I want to off this, so I want to create a build option and create here not now, must be exclude. Okay, create, and going to paste this configuration not now. Okay, now check again. You see it has gone. Okay, we have successfully inserted our user information. Now I want to uh, create our authorization. Okay, so going to share components, and you see authorization scheme. For using authorization scheme, we must create application control or role. Okay, I want to create some role. You see here is um, three role available. We can customize them, or we can update them, or we can add additional role. Okay, so I want to name it as admin, only admin, and static identifier must admin. Okay, role assigned to application administrators. Okay, fine. Apply change, and maybe it will be subadmin, sub subadmin, and it will be subadmin. Apply change, and this will be only user. Okay, okay, what's happening here? User, and static ID will be user, and role assigned to application users, and users. Okay, apply change, and our role has been created, and we assign uh, role automatically from our application administration menu dashboard. Okay, so click share component. Now our role has been created, and now I'm going to add authorization schemes. Okay, click on authorization schemes. Here you see three authorization schemes already available. We can change them. We click and administration right, I want to just scheme type must be I want to scheme type is in role or group, and type application role, and name administrator. Okay, insufficient privilege user is not an administrator. And evaluation once per page view. Okay, okay, I want to default it, and then I want to change contribution provides. It's not contribution, right? It will be sub admin, and okay, I want to only assign only sub admin role. Okay, insufficient privileges user is not a sub admin. Okay, apply change, and here I want to change it. I have already changed our role name, that is why I must assign this again. Apply change, and now reader right, users right, and I want to use role. Okay, user admin and user. Okay, when uh, when we set this authorization scheme with our button or page or menu, in that time admin can see, and uh, if we assign user rights in then admin can access and user can access, but sub admin cannot access. Okay, I want to once per page. Okay, applications. Okay, our authorization rights all set. Now we can check from our application homepage. Okay, you see admin, sub admin, and user. And if we want to add additional role, we can as we can create role in our access control. Okay, now I want to create another user. Its name Imran. It have uh, user permission, and Imran Hussain, uh, assistant programmer, and Imran @example.com, password. Okay, apply change. Check it user. Just check the user. See, Imran has been stored in our app user table. Okay, viewers, I think I must have stopped here, and thank you very much for watching the video. And in our next video will be on change password. and you will be well, you will be good. Allah Hafiz.